On today's body cam, we're checking out woman removed from graduation, then punches family member in front of police and fights officers.
Don't do this, ma'am.
Mom, let me go.
It's gonna get bad. I mean, she's already flipped up. I'm hot, by the way.
Take you to jail, and you're not gonna see him at all today. Mom, let me go.
I ain't got that. I need you to get in the car.
I would tell Mom to put it on Facebook Live. She in there.
Bro, Mommy is in there.
Bro, my son graduating. What if it was y'all? I know. What if it was your
pointing out them children. We're gonna have a possible use of force in a second.
But and you still not gonna be able to get in the building. You can get to the on the property. You can't get in the building.
Please, for Mom.
Why the fuck I ain't you?
Okay,
Don't touch me.
Ma'am.
I want to see my son graduate.
Well, now that's
Yo, I want to see my son graduate, and you think that's how you gonna be able to accomplish that? That's crazy. You hitting your own people. Your own people, like, oh my goodness. Unhinged.
second.
But and you still not gonna be able to get in the building. You can get to the on the property. You can't get in the building.
Please, for Mom.
Why the fuck I ain't you?
Okay,
Don't touch me.
Ma'am.
And she swung at the officer too.
I want to see my son graduate.
Well, now that's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen now.
Go down.
That's not gonna happen now. No, it's not.
I know.
That's not what we
Let me
wanted.
go.
No.
Let me go. Calm down. They're taking you to jail. Let me go. I know. I'm sorry.
No, we were trying. Now that's too late now.
Let me go.
No, you don't know how to act.
Say, bro.
Too late now.
We tried.
Give me her purse. Please let me have her purse.
Janetta.
Oh my camera.
Y'all want to take me to jail?
Yeah, you just fought us, ma'am.
I ain't fight.
Okay.
You threw a punch at me.
Come on, back.
Look.
No, you look.
Nah, look.
Don't holler at her. You ain't got to holler.
Ma'am, she just threw a punch at me.
Please don't holler at her. Please. Let me have her purse. Let me have her purse.
I will get it. Just get in the car. I just want to see my son graduate. Y'all gonna take me to jail? He just said he don't allow me to get the purse. Can I get the purse? No, you got it. I'm not doing anything.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Have a seat for a second. I will give it to you. Have a seat for a second. I will give it to you.
Stay in the car and chill out. Get out the car.
Let's get her in the car.
How you gonna show me? My son graduating.
Damn, this is how they getting down in Little Rock?
Hey, Mike, I got something in the back of my car.
You got something?
I got something in the back of my car.
Why? Why y'all taking me to jail?
Because you don't know how to act. And you're an embarrassment. Okay? Yeah, you going in there for your son's graduation, you probably would embarrass him. Okay? And it's a shame that you can't conduct yourself at events like this, nice, because every son or daughter or whatever want their parents at their graduation, right? But she's unhinged, man. And you don't get many moments like this, right? You get graduation? You get elementary, you get high school, college, if you decide to go to college. It's not like these milestones happen a lot, and it only happens once, right? You only graduate elementary one time. You only graduate high school one time, college one time, well, if you're getting multiple degrees, then, that's a little different. But man, you really didn't care. You were selfish, selfish. You thought about yourself instead of conducting yourself like a normal human being to be able to sacrifice and see your son graduate.
Go ahead, put her in there. Go ahead, this one.
Stop grabbing me. can't go to jail. Please, y'all.
Put your feet up there.
What's your name? Please,
Put your feet up there.
Mark. Please, Martin. I gotta go to fucking Virginia in the morning.
Still in system cover.
Y'all look.
Hey,
Sorry, here, I'm on.
You gotta get in the car, because if you don't do that,
I'm gonna do it.
Come on.
But are y'all gonna release me? I'm gonna do everything y'all tell me to
we
do.
need you to get in the car first, then. Okay.
I am.
And then let us. figure
Please
this
don't
out.
bring no charges on me. Please, I'm just coming down here to Arkansas to see my son
Okay.
graduate.
Listen, get in the car and let us figure it out. Okay?
Please, don't take me to jail, y'all.
You gotta sit in the car first.
Y'all gonna take me to jail?
We can't figure this out unless you sit in the car.
Can you unlock this?
Hey, Martin.
Please. I'm not gonna swing on nobody. I swear to God on my mama's soul.
Martin, you're gonna have to pull.
I don't know. We can't trust you because you swung on your own people. So if you swung on your own people, just imagine what you're gonna do to a stranger.
Pull it through the other side if she's not gonna get in on her
Please, I'm gonna get in.
own. Then get in, please.
Can you let it go?
You got until he pulls you through.
Don't take me to jail.
Hang on. Let's figure this out.
Move your foot. Put your foot in.
How?
There.
Yeah, just like that. You don't have to.
I mean, dude, she took a swing at me.
Did she?
Yes.
Oh, well, then that is,
I mean, dude, I mean, she took a swing at me. She was sitting there. She was fighting him and took a swing at me. She,
we're going to jail then.
I mean, she hit the family member. We got domestic. I don't know if that, I mean, it wasn't intentional. She hit the family member, but she was trying to get her out of her face. Trying to get her out. Yeah, I mean, that wasn't intentional, but we were trying to de-escalate it, but.
Hell nah, that was intentional. What you mean? She was, man, she's nuts.
She hit you in the face?
No, she didn't hit me.
Swung at you.
No, the family member was trying to wrap her up, trying to do this, trying to keep her calm, and she tried pushing her out of her face. But then the family member went back, so Martin went over to grab her, and by that time I went to grab her. She threw a punch at me. Oh. Oh, I'm fine. She didn't hit me. She missed, so. Oh. Oh, I know. No, I know. I mean, we took her to the ground, so we got to use the force on it. So, I mean, we got to get a supervisor up here.
Mary 40 to
We did everything we could to de-escalate this. Everything we could.
All right, you guys had to go to the front. Billy coming up. You guys had to go to the front. Whatever crowd they say, come to the front. Y'all straight?
There wasn't nothing going on. They all talked.
Yeah, we were on our way. We got stuck. You got down here.
Good? All right.
I'm not gonna get in trouble.
Oh, no, you're fine. You're fine.
No, the fire department is not letting nobody. Not us.
What?
I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, I understand. Hold on a minute. I'm going to talk to you in just a second. Okay, hold on. Give me just a second.
Sir,
Listen to me. Hang on. Listen. Don't say a word, okay? Hang on just a second. Just a second, okay?
You know she can't do that. What you mean don't say a word? Come on now.
Listen to me 1 second, okay? Let me explain.
Sorry.
Let me explain one thing to you, okay? Here's what you've done to me, okay? This is what you've done. You came down here to a graduation, to your son's graduation. I wanted to do nothing but help you, but here's the problem. I can't go against a fire marshal. The fire marshal's the one who said it's beyond capacity. He cannot do it. Hang on a second.
You know what? You are so right.
But no, listen to me.
I'm so wrong.
But listen to me.
Going against you in the fire marshal.
But listen to me.
Sir, I'm so sorry.
Listen
sorry.
to me.
That's
Listen
my
to me.
son.
Hold on, listen to me.
I'm sorry, sir.
But no, hold on a minute.
I'm not.
But no,
that
listen to
person.
me. I'm a parent too.
Please
so
don't
listen to me.
give it
No,
to
hold on a minute. What I'm trying to tell you is this right here. I can understand the fact that you're upset, that you're this and that and the other. I can understand all that. I understood all that. But now the problem is we have to take you to the ground. Now what that does is that means we have you in a use of force now. I have to document that with my superior. No, you don't understand. No, you don't understand.
Take on y'all. Y'all grown ass.
No, you don't understand.
Y'all grown. Y'all stronger than me.
I'm trying to explain to you. I have to document it because it's recorded. Everything when it just happened is recorded.
You're right.
So now I have my supervisor here that I've got to explain everything I just did.
You say
I understand.
your supervisor, I own my shit.
I got it, but I'm trying to explain to you.
I'm just trying to get to my
everything
son.
I've got to do.
See him walk across the stage.
So what I've got to do right now is I've got to explain to him. So right now.
Tell your supervisor to come here. My brother is the police
so right now,
LeRon Young,
okay,
out of Memphis, Tennessee.
So right
now, police officer too.
So let me talk to him and let me find out what I'm going to do. So stand.
Out of Memphis, Tennessee, like as if anybody cares. These officers don't care. If you have people in law enforcement, then why would you act like that?
That's not what I know.
So stand by. Hold on.
My cousin is blind.
And she sound like she been drinking.
Okay, so stand by.
My cousin.
You got any injuries?
No injuries. No
charges.
I'm not trying to press charges, except for the simple fact that we had to take her to the ground. So that's.
I mean, like for battery.
No. She didn't hit me. Okay. So I didn't get hit or nothing like that.
You would
but the thing is, we have a use of force because we took her to the ground. That's the only thing is. But now the thing is that.
Can I have you, ma'am?
I'm trying. Yeah, I'm trying. You can just do this orderly.
So my thing is this right here. She's upset. She didn't get to see her son graduate. She's from Virginia. I understand. She's upset. I'm not trying to take her to jail. I don't want her to go to jail, but
well, what's disorderly? C?
It's a C misdemeanor.
So that's your discretion. You can. That's up to you.
Okay.
Let me talk to her and see if
yes.
That's a solid officer right there, man. I'm not gonna lie. Most officers would have did the most, man, but he understands her being upset and everything like that. But still, man, that's a tough call. But either way, whether she goes to jail or not, it's tough because emotions are high, but the cop understands, and but if it was me, I would probably still take her to jail. I ain't gonna lie. I'd still take her to jail just because you can't act like that. Okay? Period. You let your emotions get the best of you. And you hit your family and everything. This is all uncalled for. So I understand, the situation, but I don't know if I would be as forgiving as this officer, man. Hey, I may be an asshole, but whatever. It is what it is, man.
I have none.
Please tell me. I didn't mean no harm. What's your last name? My name is Townsend. Don't take my
We're not getting at y'all. We just trying to.
Are you good with giving her this stuff?
This is her son graduation.
I am too. So let's just give her a C misdemeanor. No, I know.
I understand.
So, but we have to give her something. So let's give her a misdemeanor disorderly. So we can just do misdemeanor disorderly.
She's in the street. She swung at you.
But the thing about it is,
Damn. Okay. I guess it's over.